What exactly is momentum? Let's explore the concept through a simple example. Watch what happens when this heavy object hits the block. The block is pushed a long distance. Now, let's try a smaller object. Even though it's moving faster, the block doesn't move as much. Both objects were moving. Both objects collided, but their impacts were different.
Why?
Because the amount of motion an object carries depends on more than just speed. Its mass matters too. The combination of mass and speed is called momentum. And the greater the momentum, the harder it is to stop an object, and the bigger its impact can be. Momentum is the product of an object's mass and velocity. P equal to mv. No motion means no velocity. No velocity means zero momentum. Whether an object is large or small, moving slowly or traveling at high speed, it carries momentum as long as it is in motion. Momentum helps us understand how objects move, interact, and transfer motion during collisions. It is a fundamental concept of motion.